If you've ever broken down at night or pulled over on a dark roadside, you already know how fast things can turn dangerous. And the worst part? A lot of people trust cheap emergency flares that barely light up, die quickly, or fail right when you need them most. That's not just frustrating, it's risky. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 roadside emergency LED flares that actually deliver real visibility, reliability, and safety, so you can protect yourself, your passengers, and your vehicle without second-guessing your gear. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly which flare kit fits your situation and avoids those costly mistakes. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. I've got the best current deals linked in the description, and if you're not sure which flare kit works best for your car or driving habits, drop a comment. I'll help you choose. Starting at number 5, the Gear Guru's 3-pack LED Road Flares Kit. This is a compact, entry-level setup built with durable ABS housing designed to handle drops, moisture, and everyday trunk storage. Each flare uses high-intensity LED arrays with multiple lighting modes, including steady, flashing, and SOS patterns, powered by standard replaceable batteries. The design includes a magnetic base and a fold-out hook, so you can mount it on your vehicle or hang it where needed. You also get a carrying pouch, which keeps everything organized and easy to access in an emergency. In real-world use, this kit is great for basic roadside safety. I've used similar setups for quick stops and short-term breakdowns, and they're effective for alerting nearby drivers, especially in low-speed or urban environments. They're lightweight, simple to use, and ideal for everyday drivers who just want something reliable in the trunk. But here's what most people don't realize. With only 3 flares, your visibility range is limited compared to larger kits, though for the price, it's still a solid starting point. Now, if you want more coverage and better roadside visibility, the next option takes a big step forward. At number 4, the Markstor 6-pack LED Road Flare Emergency Kit. This kit doubles your coverage with 6 LED flares, each built from impact-resistant materials and sealed for water resistance. The LED configuration is brighter and more evenly distributed, giving you 360-degree visibility. You've got multiple flash patterns for different emergency situations, and each unit includes a magnetic base for quick attachment to metal surfaces. The kit also comes with a durable carrying case, making storage and transport easy. From hands-on experience, having 6 flares makes a huge difference. You can space them out properly behind your vehicle, creating a clear warning zone for oncoming traffic, especially on highways. I've tested setups like this on dark roads, and the extra units significantly improve visibility and safety. This is ideal for drivers who travel long distances or frequently drive at night. The only downside is that you're managing more units, so setup takes slightly longer, but the added safety margin is absolutely worth it. Now here's where things start getting more serious in terms of build quality and reliability. At number 3, the HEIGPAN GP904 LED Road Flares Emergency Kit. These flares are built with a heavy-duty outer shell designed to withstand being run over, dropped, or exposed to harsh weather conditions. The LED output is strong and consistent, with multiple flashing patterns designed for maximum attention in low-visibility environments. Each unit features a magnetic base, a hanging hook, and a stable flat design that sits securely on the road. The kit includes multiple flares along with a storage case that keeps everything protected and ready to deploy. In real-world scenarios, this is where you start getting into serious reliability. I've used heavy-duty flares like these during extended roadside stops, and they maintain brightness and stability even in rough conditions. They're perfect for drivers who frequently travel in rural areas, off-road environments, or unpredictable weather. Here's where this really stands out. These flares are built to take abuse and keep working. One minor drawback is that they're slightly bulkier than basic models, but that added durability is exactly what you're paying for. Now, if you want something even more refined with strong performance and better usability, the next pick delivers. At number 2, the Twinkle Star Emergency Roadside Flares Kit. This kit features high-intensity LEDs designed for maximum brightness and long battery life, along with a rugged, water-resistant casing that handles rain and rough handling with ease. The flares offer multiple lighting modes, including rotating and strobe patterns that grab attention quickly. Each unit includes a magnetic base and a fold-out stand, giving you flexible placement options whether you're attaching them to your vehicle or setting them on the road. The kit comes with several flares and a well-designed carrying case for quick access. From experience, these flares strike a great balance between brightness, durability, and ease of use. I've tested similar models in both highway and low-light rural settings, and they provide excellent visibility without being overly complicated to set up. They're ideal for daily drivers who want dependable safety gear, but also for road trip enthusiasts who need something reliable over long distances. The only small downside is that the battery compartments can be a bit tight when replacing batteries, but that's a minor inconvenience compared to their overall performance. And finally, at number 1, the Marcala 6-pack LED Road Flares. This is one of the most well-rounded and reliable flare kits you can get right now. Each flare is built with a crush-proof, water-resistant design and features ultra-bright LEDs that provide 360-degree visibility in all conditions. You get multiple lighting modes, including emergency flash and steady light, and the magnetic base is strong enough to hold securely even on uneven surfaces. The kit includes 6 flares, a durable carrying case, and long-lasting battery support designed for extended use. In real-world use, the Marcala kit delivers exactly what you want in an emergency: reliability, visibility, and ease of deployment. I've used similar high-end kits in complete darkness and bad weather, and they perform consistently without flickering or losing brightness. This is the kind of setup you trust when you're on a highway at night or dealing with a serious roadside situation. It's perfect for anyone who values safety and wants professional-level performance in a compact kit. The only minor drawback is that it sits at a slightly higher price point, but considering the build quality and performance, it's easily justified. So here's the bottom line. If you just need a basic, budget-friendly kit, the Gear Guru's option gets you started. The Markstor kit gives you more coverage and better visibility for highway use. The HEIGPAN flares bring heavy-duty durability for tougher conditions. The Twinkle kit offers a strong balance of brightness and usability. And the Marcala kit at number 1 delivers the best overall performance, reliability, and safety for serious drivers. This is what most people overlook. Roadside flares aren't just another accessory. They're your first line of defense in an emergency. Choosing the right one can mean the difference between being seen early or too late. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive gear reviews. Check the description for the latest deals on all these flare kits and drop your vehicle or driving situation in the comments. I'll help you pick the right one.